Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make mint juice with lemon. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 to 3 medium-sized lemons, some sugar, and water. Make sure your mint is thoroughly washed and ready to go. This easy method will have you enjoying a refreshing drink in no time, perfect for any occasion. Now let's get blending. Add your fresh mint leaves, the juice from your 2 to 3 lemons, about 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of cold water into your blender. Feel free to adjust the sugar amount to suit your preference for sweetness. Blend everything together until the mint leaves are finely chopped and the mixture looks smooth and vibrant. This step is quick and easy. Once blended, it's time to strain our delicious mixture. Pour the liquid through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher or bowl. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the pulp, ensuring you extract every last drop of that flavorful juice. Discard the solids, and then place your pitcher in the refrigerator. Chilling for at least 30 minutes will make it wonderfully refreshing. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade mint lemon juice. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glass. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a thin slice of lemon. This recipe typically yields about 3 servings, making it perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the day. Sip and savor this wonderfully refreshing and easy-to-make beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.